Let's look at an example that uses square roots and pi. So we're going to plot the following equation. Y equals the square root of x minus pi. Now, to have the square root symbol appear on the screen, all you have to use is the letter Q. So remember the Q in square. And then to get the pi symbol to appear, you simply use the letter P. Notice there's no negative values for x are possible because we can't find the square root of any negative value, which is why when we plot the graph, you can see that it's in the lower right-hand quadrant. Now, let's make a line segment between the following. So we go to Equations, click on the Line tool. Point 1 is going to be -2 and 6. And our second point will be 4 and -8. You can see in the formula box below that the equation is built based on y minus y1 over x minus x1 equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and ends up, as it inserts our points within the equation, as y equals minus 2.3 repeated x plus 1.3 repeated. Notice that the graphing interval is a custom version. We're just tidying this up a little bit, taking away some of the decimal points and replacing them with the equivalent fraction instead. And so we've plotted the equation, and we can see that the domain stretches from -2 and 4, and the range is from -8 and 6. The line segment is plotted between the specified endpoints only. Now let's find the point of intersection between y equals the square root of x minus pi and y equals minus 2.3 repeated x plus 1.3 repeated. And there's our intersection. If we wanted to adjust the location, we could do that, but I think it's fine where it is. So now let's just try to change that equation. And we're going to show you something that is built into the program to help a little. Let's say that we had a typo in that equation. We're going to put a equals 2 in there. Let's see what happens. You can see the magnifying glass showing on the right side of the screen there, indicating that there's an issue with our equation. So we can go back and see what our issue is, correct it, click OK, and this time it's fine, and so no magnifying glass appears and we can plot those equations. So now we're just going to show you the hide tool. I'm going to click on equations. If we don't want one of those lines appearing on the graph, we can simply click hide and it'll hide the corresponding equation. As you can see, we've hidden one of them. We still have the green one appearing. We could show the green one and hide the red one as well if we wanted. It's really up to you. You could hide them both if you wanted as well. And that's it. So let's save that as sample number 5, and remember that you can visit graphmaster.ca and try a full feature version of GraphMaster for free. And that's it. Enjoy.